Hi, Samir. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Samir. Hi.
Good morning. Okay, guys, so let's start now. So, guys, today we'll start with integration of Azure Data Factory with Google Cloud Platform. So, yesterday we have seen with the Amazon. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, Samir. Amazon S3. Yesterday we used.
Yesterday we have used the Amazon S3. Today we'll see the GCP. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So, okay, the case study. The case study and the title of the case study. Title of the case study. Integration of GCP S3 storage with ADF. Okay, Here also GCP S3. So guys, as per this, we'll design the specifications. So let's use it here. Source data source data storage. GCP S3 storage. So we'll go with the multiple files here, okay? Multiple files. Okay, guys. So I'm using the source data store as a GCP S3 and now again we have what is that? The sync data store, the sync data storage, and the sync data storage is the ADLS Gen 2, whereas it is the most advanced storage in Azure. Okay, guys. So as it is, we have it here. So guys, now let's go here. I'm just starting with the session now. So just open this. I'm sharing this session event. Now guys, just open a browser. So just open one for the GCP, another one for the there is source, there is another for a target, and then for the ADF, that is nothing but the session. That's it. And one more for the one more for the resource group. Now guys, just put the control here and now mention here as a cloud, or you can say Google Cloud Console. Can you share? Select Google Cloud Console. You got it, guys. See, I've already registered with this. So if you want, you can go ahead and get it registered. The process is very simple. So guys, it requires even the the debit card or credit card, anything is acceptable. So use it here. Now can you see here? Console is here. Everyone. Guys, everyone. Okay, guys. So click on the console. Now, guys, here we are there already. So got it. So just from the left blade, click on this. And now can you see here? You have all the options here. So or else you can directly type it here. You can type it here. The project here is here. Can you see here? This is the project. So anyways, if you want a new project, so just click on a new project now. So let's give it here. Durga Soft project. Okay, Durga Soft project. So can you see, you can give Durga Soft project. That means this is the starting one. So click on the create. That's it, guys. This is a new project. I'm just creating it. So project means what? It is like a resource group, guys. Project means what? It is like a resource group. Getting my point, everyone? Hello.
Yes,
See,
Amit.
Google Cloud Platform, GCP, or you go with the Amazon and you go with the Azure. Almost all everything is same here. Some options, some names changes, that's it. Here we call it as a, in ADF, we call it the same. In Azure, we call it as what? Resource group. And here we say it is a project. That's it, guys. Here you can search for S3 storage. S3. Can you share S3 bucket? Got it, everyone? S3 bucket. Click on this. Do you have any bucket here right now? See? Guys, everyone, do you have any bucket? No,
No,
buckets.
not at all.
So just click on that create tab. Just click on the create tab, guys. Click on the create tab. That's it. Okay. So mention the name, any name you can give it. So I'm giving the name as what? Source bucket 31. Okay. What's that we have it? Source bucket. So I took the free subscription anyways. Okay. So guys, here we have it. Can you see here? Free trial status is what's that? 24,530 credits and 89 days remaining with a full account. You will be unlimited access to all Google Cloud platform. That means mine is a free, this one. So I took it. So after this, it will change it to the this one. Okay. So next after this. So what it says, this name is already taken. So I'm just using here. Source Durga Soft. Now this is available. Same like okay, the storage we use it. That is we use the input container. Na? We use the input container the same way we have to give it here. Okay, instead of input container, we just call it as a bucket here. That's it. Okay. So now, guys, come down. These are all some options. Choose where you want to store the data. It's by default, by default, it's there. If you want to change it, you can change it. US multiple regions in United States. If you want, you can change it. Tell me, please.
Sir, in the AWS for the storage is S3 there, and Google also same thing. They are using S3.
Yes, yes. The naming convention part, yeah, the same type of thing they are using it.
Okay, okay.
In the GCP also.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you see here? Choose a class storage of your data. Okay. That is nothing but what type of that is nothing but you have, can you see here? The standard is there, near line. Okay. The standard is nothing but the standard has the replaced multi-regions and region as the hot storage class in this form. Won't change your bucket cost or behavior. That means, and here you have also near line. Okay. Set as the default class. Applies to all objects in the bucket unless you manually modify the class per object or set object lifecycle rules. Best when your storage is highly predictable, can't be changed to auto class once the bucket is created. Okay, anyways, you have to choose the, this is just like a a type of okay, the type of a pricing tier type of thing we have it. So we can select it anything you require it, cold storage, hot storage. Okay. So all this you can have it. So anyways, I'm using it here as a default, guys. Leave it as a auto class. Need not worry on all this right now at this point of time. So just leave it as it is. And then you have what that control objects. Control objects, what is that you have to do? Can you see here? It is just like a public and public bucket. It is just like what? Public bucket or private bucket. You can say enforce public access, prevent on this bucket. Enforce public access, prevent on this bucket. So I'm checking this box. That means what? This will become the private bucket. Am I right? Am I right, guys? Everyone, please. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So I wanted to make a public only. So enforce public access, prevent on this, let it be default. Okay. So enforce public access prevention on this bucket. That means this is a private bucket. So you can leave it. If I'm just unchecking this box, it will become a public bucket. Anyways, leave it as it is. So, and access control is uniform or fine granted. So you can, okay, fine grained, you can use it anyone. Okay. So uniform access to all buckets by using only bucket level permissions. These are some permissions you have it. Anyways, you need not worry on this also at this point of time. And the next one is you have, what is that? The finally choose how to project object data. So your data is always protected with a cloud, Google Cloud, but you can also choose from these additional data protection options to prevent the data loss. Okay. Note that object versioning and retention policy cannot be used together. Okay. So project object data, that means the resource group, whatever you are created, you can just select it here. Okay. So right now it is none, but you have object versioning. Means what? For restoring deleted or overwritten object to minimize the cost of the storage versions, we recommend limited number of current versions per object and scheduling them to expire after the number of days. That means whatever the data or whatever the thing you have it in that particular project, automatically it will be deleted after that much days. That is whatever the days you just set it here. Okay. Retention from preventing the deletion or modification of the bucket object for a specified minimum duration of time after being uploaded. That means whenever you upload some data and forget to delete it, after some time, automatically it will delete. That's the thing we have it anyways. So I'm using none anyways. So leave it as it is. That's it, guys. So click on the create.
So, sir, by default, how many days it will store the data?
Pardon me.
I just want to know by default, in the first option, how many days it will store the data?
By default, basically, it will be there for till the subscription is there, it will be there.
Okay.
Now it's a 1 month now. The free trial will expire in 1 month. See, the more you store it, the consumption will be more, 24,000. Actually, I got some 27,000 credits. So it has consumed. So once you do that, if you retain the data, all those will be consumed here anyways. So I'm just using the create. That's it, guys. Now, guys, everyone is clear. So now it's ready. Now it's ready. So click on the upload files. Or else if you want, you can also create a folder. Okay. Can you see here? You can also create a folder here. Copy the path. Copy this path. I'm pasting it in the notepad. See here. So guys, anyways, I'm uploading a folder. Folder means what? Just like an input container, we define it. So guys, sorry. So just not that, create a folder. Create a folder. So I'm giving the folder name as input. Folder name is what? Inputs. Click on the create. That's it, guys. Open this. Now copy this. Now see here. Durga soft slash input. That means within the Durga soft storage, you have an input as a container. Am I right or not? Yes, guys.
Yeah, sir. We should.
It is just similar to same. That means it is more similar to the AWS rather than this. Okay. So now, guys, upload the files now. Data files. Now under this, just go ahead. Now select it. I'm selecting multiple files now. Just open this, guys. And now finally come down. The data is uploaded. See here. 6 files are uploaded. Am I right, everyone?
Yeah, all like that.
So that's it. So before that, before the further process, go to the permissions tab. Can you see here under the permissions? Interoperability is not there under this. No. Protection. No permission. Okay. Okay, just a moment. Oops, just a minute. I'm going back onto this. So enable it. Let it be. Okay. So we have already here. So just observe observability, life cycle, projection, configuration, and objects. Okay, it's ready. Okay, anyways, guys, leave it as it is. Leave it as it is. Now let us go and create the sync system. So for creating the sync system, come back to your ADF. Let us open this portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com, you can select it here. Now, guys, please tell me once this is okay. So now what is the next process you have it? Tell me now, guys.
Create resource group.
Further,
Hmm?
already resource group is created now. For the sync, we have to use blob storage.
Without the resource group, that resource group is only for GCP. Getting my point?
Okay.
You have to create a separate resource group for Azure as well.
For the
So
source and sync, we have to separate create
because see, that is the environment is different. Huh?
yeah.
So just create a separate resource group now.
Okay.
You can't use that one.
Sure.
Yeah. That's it. So now click on the create. And now give it here. So I'm using GCP 2 Azure data lake Gen 2. Create it. Okay. That's it. And now click on this. Okay. Now guys, let's start with this storage. Click on the create tab. And now select it here. Provide the name. So I'm using sync store GCP. Okay. Sync store GCP. So I'm just using this one. That's it, guys. So click on the Gen 2 now. So click on the advanced tab and now select enable hierarchical namespace. Create it. So meanwhile, I will start the data factory as well because this will also take some time. So click on the create blade. And once we click on the create blade, everyone, select the same resource group, what you have created now in the session. So I'm using what's that instance, guys, and everyone, instance GCP to what's that Azure data lake, Azure data lake, ADLS Gen 2. That's it. Okay. Review. So now just open this. Now guys, go to this. Now launch the studio. Now it's ready, guys. Expand it and now click on the Manage tab. Now, so how many link services are required here? Everyone, tell me now. Are you there, guys? Yes, please. How many link services are required here?
We need two, one for
That's it.
GCP and one for
Azure.
data lake. Yeah.
Yes, that's it. So now we require two anyway. So now go to the sync storage and now create a container here. Click onto this and click on the next container. Click on the create output. That's it, guys. So leave it as it is. So the input is ready. So this is the input. Input is ready. And now we have this resource group is ready. And now output is ready. Data factory is ready, which is where we are going to use the process. First of all, go back to this GCP again, guys, everyone. Okay. So go to the buckets now. Okay, guys. So can see here. Select the container or the bucket you have it. You have a settings option in the left blade. Am I right? You have setting options. Yes, guys. Click on the settings. Click on the settings. Everyone. And now can you see here? Project access and interoperability. You have two options are there. Am I right? Under the settings, you have two options. One is the project access and another one is the interoperability. So click on this interoperability. So now come down. Can you see here? So what's already have it? Can you see here? These are the keys already we have it. So I'm just deleting it. So I'm just deleting it. Or else what I'll do, I'll create a new key. Create a key. Can you see here, guys? All of you? If you want some confusion is there, so you can delete it. No problem. I'm deleting all of them. I'm deleting all. Now click on the create key.
Is these keys are mandatory, Samir?
Of course. Without that, not possible. So now, guys, now copy this. Copy this. So I'm using it here, guys, everyone. So I'm using it here, access key as it is. Copy this, come back to your this thing. Copy this. This is a password. That's it, guys. Fine, everyone. So once you have done with this, okay. That's it, guys. Now can you see here? So we have this option, directly you can delete it here. Previously, we used to go to some again settings and deactivate it as it is. Okay. So now you have access keys and secret is there. You just click on the create this thing. And now guys, go to the bucket. And now open the bucket. That's it, guys. Open the input container. You have all this. Am I right? Guys, everyone. So just come back to this Azure now. So create the link service. So first link service, you have to create it for what? Tell me now, guys, what's that you have to do? GCP. Type it here as what? Google, or you type it here as Google. Am I right? So Google BigQuery is a data warehouse. If you want to connect it to the data warehouse of Google, you can just use it here. But I'm using what's that? Google Cloud Storage. Open this. And now give it here. What's the name? I want to give it the name as ls GCP underscore source. That's it, guys. So select the access key ID. So go to this access key ID. Copy this. This is the key ID and go to the password and now copy this password. Now paste the password. And now guys, soon after this, what is that you have to do? Tell me now. Just test the connections now. Succeeded, guys. So click on the create. Now guys, that's it, you have it. Click on the one more thing. And now use it as what? Gen 2. So sorry, use the Gen 2. Open this and now give your own name, whatever you require it. ls underscore Gen 2 underscore sync. Am I right? And rest of all this, you can have it. That's it, guys. So now click on the test connections. Click on the create. Now it's ready. So what's the next process you have to tell me now? Go to the author.
Create datasets.
create the data set. So now click on this, click on the new. So now guys, create a data set. So data set is for what? Right now, Google. Right now, the files are what? CSV. So select the delimited file. DS underscore. Tell me now. DS underscore. What's it? GCP underscore source. Select the link service you have already created. First was the header. Browse it. Select the Durga soft bucket. And under the input, can you see here? Have all this. So click on OK. Don't select any specific file because I don't want a specific file. I want all. So click on OK. That's it. Now first data set is ready. So now guys, again, you have what's it? Go to the second data set and now created the new one. Everyone. So now just give it here. What is that? So you want what's it? As Gen2 na. Second source data set is, so again, target data set is Gen2. So select it here and now give the name DS underscore ADLS underscore Gen2 underscore sync. Select it. New one. First was the header. Browse it. Output. That's it, guys. Now go to the pipeline as it is. The sync and source data sets are ready. Go to the pipeline, click on the new pipeline. So, guys, use it here pipeline. PL underscore. Tell me now. PL underscore. What's what I want? GCP to ADLS underscore Gen2. That's it. Just click on this. From the move and transform activities pen, from the activities pen, select move and transform, drag and drop the copy activity, guys. Select the, can you see here? Select this source. Source is what? GCP source. Now, guys, your multiple files are there. Can you see here? I wanted to copy the multiple files. So since I wanted to copy the multiple file, use the option called what? Wildcard file path. Am I right, everyone? Hello?
Yeah, sorry.
And now click on this. Select it here. That's it. Fine, everyone. Now you can change it from a TXT, you can change it to the CSV if you want. .csv, guys, that's it. Now debug it. Succeeded, guys. Go to the output. Refresh. Okay, everyone.
Yeah, Sam. It's covered.
That's it. So this is how we can do it. So guys, this is the way you have it to copy the data from the that is Azure blob storage to that is a GCP to this thing. That is nothing but data like Gen 2. So guys, the cross cloud platform integration. Okay, we have done it now, and from tomorrow we will start with the another applications. We have it. Okay. So okay, that's it. We'll start up with this bulk copy. We have not done, no, guys.
No.
No,
Container parameterization.
no, sir.
Okay, bulk copy, container parameterization, and then you have based on the and stored procedure. We have done it already.
Yeah, already done. Somewhere the store procedure we can write in the GCP also, no?
Yeah, definitely you can write it.
By using the by writing the store procedure, we can migrate the files into ADF.
Of course, we can do it.
Okay.
So we have a pipeline audit log is not completed, no?
Hmm.
Copy data tool we have completed already.
Yeah.
CDT.
Hmm.
Creating of a data set using the wizard mode. So if not, I'll show.
No,
You have not seen?
no.
I'll show you. I'll show you once, no problem. And Azure keywords.
No, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So actually, bulk copy of tables also I think we have not seen. Printing file formats. Creation of data. Creation of this thing. Okay. Link services, all these things we have seen, no?
Yes, I mean.
Okay. Okay, then no problem. We'll see the rest of the things tomorrow. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
guys. Please tell me now.
Can you show the how to in a pipeline we are using only the copy data. By
Hmm.
connecting the copy data, we can also the data bricks also connect.
Which one?
We are using only copy data only, not with the activities. Pipeline. We can connect to the data bricks also, no?
Definitely one. Definitely. I will show you that
Yeah.
integration with ADF with the ADB. That is
Okay.
ADF with the Databricks. I'll show you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm stopping the class, guys.